Sorkar TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Usambut Menteri Rangba uba Sngewlem hakalai terik nailar arajar arfanriel. Ula penpau ke Sngewlem Shakilanot ki bala shakta haka Jingshlei haka jilla Assam. But ongru baka Sorkar Meghalaya ka long ka bakloi banya Kynduh ya Menteri Rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma banya keren penbet ya kania ke Jing'e. Haka Jing'e keren bat kilar pathai kubor uba dhar ula ong. Baka Jing'e keren ka bansalong bat Menteri Rangba ka Assam. Kalong ban weng ye ke Jing'e, ka bajana ka Jingshlei bat ban weng ye ke Jing'e balamat da kipat ba, la kalong ha ka Surak National Highway, ha kishnong kithaw.
You know, wherever especially this time is very, very unfortunate, especially in the state of Assam, the floods really affected the people, and my condolences to those who lost their life as well. So I told Chief Minister, it's he or so he will meet the CM of Assam, we will discuss and we will solve it collectively. We are not here to blame each other. We are here to work for people. Frankly speaking, if there is any problem on the road or the highway, we as a government, both government, if there is a place to solve collectively, we will solve collectively. No issue about that. Yeah, when both of them are meeting together, we will discuss in a good atmosphere and we will try to see which is the best way to solve this issue. No issue for that. We are ready for that.
Pidan dukan marbam, ndai. Compare like a bered, kaba pidi harut surok ni kabahe. Kum ki restaurant bat kiwei ni pishat roti shat cake bat kiwei nakabenta ka koi kakya chonggi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba pinyo ka Jingshlei naki pidon kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala itho da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwei kam de ka ba ba pinyo e ka license Pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ko pihap pan upload ru tegi kod kisla badan kam kat kum gajat jingkam jongpi Pila ru banyak Kynduh yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jongu lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan Meghalaya latno tang is khasihers Pila banlet bed siya ka office terekam jongki ka Commissionerate of Food Safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety Government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India
kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput Assam ha pedang ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jila ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant Hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ka kubor balapau perthai. Hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinre ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher. Din nakata ka daw kini artali ki jala menta kisdang pen krea banthaw ya ka joint action plan.